Hi there, my name is Alice and I am an urban gardener, and welcome to my 100 Days of Gardening series, Indoor Plants Edition. In this series, I'm talking about how to care for different types of indoor plants, common problems they may have, and I'm talking about plants that you can easily find and easily buy within Kenya. I remember when I was just starting out with indoor gardening, I think I killed more plants than I can even try to remember. And initially I was discouraged, I must say that, because it's no fun, you know, when you spent money, you had earned money, you bought plants, you brought them home, and then things have happened and they've died. But the gap, you know, once you've taken the plant out, the gap that's left, you know, you start to feel, no, let me try this again. And trying over and over again, I'm happy now because I have maybe over 100 plants indoors, and a lot of them I have learned through trying, I have learned through reading, I have learned through studying the plants themselves and just understanding what the basics are in terms of caring for them to a point where I'm not worried in terms of whether they'll survive or not. And I think for me, my greatest joy right now is being able to propagate and have more plants. So I have plants which, from just one mother plant, I have got 10 other plants out of it. And that for me is really a great achievement. And it's just those small little wins. And even seeing new plant growth, I tell you, it's like seeing a new baby. So in this series, I want to share as much knowledge as I have, what I have learned, the mistakes I have made, and and then hopefully learn from you as well. What are your experiences, and just how can we grow together, right? So let's garden.